Welcome back to Glenn's Vintage Radio on YouTube. Today I have a Rogers Majestic R131 from 1956. It's a 5-tube All-American designed radio. Looks a little scuffed up, as you can tell, fairly dirty. Back was in place, lots of dirt on it. This piece here, basically the gold in there is scraped right off it, so we'll talk about how I fix that in a minute. And again, lots of dirt. There's the back. The radio has 5 tubes, 35W4, 12BE6, 12BA6, 12AT6, 50C5, and a 120 volt 7-watt dial lamp, which is kind of unusual in my experience, but nevertheless it does a nice job lighting up the dial glass. And there's the inside. Again, lots of dirt. I believe this radio was either designed or parts provided by Philips, because these IF transformers are certainly a Philips type thing. The speaker in this thing was a bit of an issue too, and had to be replaced, but that wasn't a big deal. So again, this is part of the tear down process. Pulling out the dial cloth and the speaker mount, and along with it is basically the dial indicator. Again, lots of dirt, things having lived in here that found their way in and just decided to stay. Again, there's this dial glass that needed help. The other side of it. It's the first attempt at touching it up. Didn't really go all that well. And eventually I got my sister to make me up a nice piece of vinyl. She's really good with this Cricut of hers. And if you've seen some of my videos before, you know that she's done lots of little jobs for me. And she fixed that up quite nicely for me. And I obviously painted this radio, and there's the paints I decided to use. So the one is the dark is called Denim, and the lighter color is River Mist. Lots of dirt on the inside. Again, tearing it down, cleaning it up. Here's the bottom side with all the old capacitors and some resistors that had to be changed out, but really all in all, not a ton of work. There's the electrolytic on it, an 80, a 40, and a 50. All about two of the three at 150 volts, and one was much less. Again, cleaning it up. There's some of the electrolytics being put bottom side on this radio, and you can see some of the other caps have been changed out. A few more resistors added, put in a fuse. There's the new speaker. Some nice logos on it. Rogers logos. And that is the work that was done on it. Now we'll turn to it live here, and you can see what's what. So there it is. It's daytime, so we don't have a whole lot of radio stations that can be reached, but it does play and plays quite nicely. See if maybe we can pick up something else like a ball game or.
For the Blue Jays, but they're in a very sticky situation. As Braden Fisher comes on, the bases are loaded in the bottom of the seventh. There's one out, and guess who? Cedric Mullins, who's been tormenting the Blue Jays all series.
Been watching and listening to a lot of Blue Jays baseball this year. They were on a heck of a winning streak, and now all of a sudden it's like, whoo, quite a roller coaster with lots of runs on both sides. But unfortunately, in the last few games, it's more for the other side than our side. But I digress. So that is the radio working on AM. I have also installed a audio input that once you plug it into a Bluetooth player, which I have right here. See if I can do this. There we go, plugged in. Get my music going here. Oop, that's not a very good video. There we go. So I'm playing some audio, streaming radio actually, over the internet, connected to this Bluetooth receiver. Right here. And you control the volume. Works very well. So you can basically play any music from anywhere on the planet. Won't play too much of this because I'll get nabbed for copyright infringement. But there it is. Very nice little radio. Rogers R131 from 1956.